Hello everyone, today we are going to make an explosion box. In this you can use at least 35 photos and codes. This is a 2-layer explosion box. Since I am making it for the purpose of Valentine's Day, so we'll decorate it with love theme. Firstly, we'll take a 15 by 15 inches white cardstock and score it at 5 inches, 10 inches and 15 inches from both the sides. Now fold it on score line. Please follow the procedure as shown on the screen. Through this, we'll be making pockets where we'll insert the tags. Now, take printed sheets of your choice and cut them into 4 small pieces of 4.5 inches each. To save our time, I did the same thing with this 12 by 12 sheet beforehand. After this process, 2 of our layers will be ready. Now we are going to make the topmost part of the box, that is the lid of the box. After that, take your favorite printed sheet and stick it on the top and the sides of the lid. Follow the same procedure for the other lid as well. Now it's finally time to stick our pockets. make the flip card, we'll take a 3 by 15 inches sheet and score it on 3.5 inches, 7 inches and 10.5 inches. Now take another square sheet of 3.5 inches and cut the corners with the help of the corner punches. Now it's time to make the belt. For that, we'll cut a 1 by 4.5 inches strip. Stick the sides of the belt. Take a square of 3 inches and use round corner punch on it. Stick the same on the top of the flips. Now take the first layer, that is of 5 by 5 inches, and follow the same process on it. Cut the tags into any shape of your choice. Here, I have used the machine to cut these tags. Now, put the tags in the pocket. Here, we'll start with our final process. Now, stick the second layer on the first layer. It's finally time to decorate the center element of our box. To decorate the main lid, I have used the hanging hearts. We can choose anything like flowers, stickers, butterfly, pearls, etc. to decorate the top of the box. Our explosion box is finally ready.